Service in Rapid City has issued a tornado warning for north central Butte County in northwestern South Dakota until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Haystack Buttes, or 33 miles northeast of Belle Fourche, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Butte County, along Highway 85 north of Castle Rock. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Butte, South Dakota.